getting not some posted. And when my hair starts turning gray, they say I'm like a fine wine better with age. I guess I learned it from my parents, that true love starts with friendship. A kiss on the forehead, I did mine. Take an apology after a time. I need a man who's patient and kind. Gets out of the car and holds the door. I wanna slow dance in living room life. Creating a scene I'll come and grow. Or with someone who makes me feel young. I need a man who loves me right. My father loves my mom. I wanna trip in the summers. I wanna make fun of each other. I wanna rock out to the beach out. It's so funny for us all. Absolutely fun I did it. And let me be the Scrabble winner. And when my body changes, you say, oh my God, you have today. I need a man who's patient and kind. Gets out of the fire and wants to go. I wanna slow dance and living the life. Let's see your come and grow. Or with someone who makes me feel.
Then go out there and look for the same. I need to use my 10 bathroom.
My father loves no more. I wanna
then if you need that man, go out there and look for him. Go and look for the thing out there, not in my house.
They say I'm like a fine wine better with age. I guess I learned it from my parents, that true love starts with friendship. A kiss on the forehead, I did mine. Take an apology after a time. I need a man who's patient and kind. Gets out of the car and holds the door. I wanna slow dance in living room life. Creating a scene I'll come and
shut up!
Or with someone who makes me feel young. I need a man who loves me right. My father loves my mom.
Marry me. Will you marry me? Oh. Yeah, I take this and this and...
Babe, you didn't wake me up.
You're awake. Oh no, I wanted to, serve you breakfast in bed, babe.
Oh, breakfast in bed. You don't have anything. Don't worry, I'll just go for grocery shopping, okay? You don't have... Why are you looking at me that way? You don't have onions, you don't have noodles, you don't even have salt. Who cooks without salt?
Oh, don't you know that your baby is an expert? Call me Chef Somto.
Baby?
Yes, baby. But come on, babe. This is the 21st century. You should start writing all these things on your phone and set a reminder to each of them.
Thank you for the reminder. But trust me, no one needs an automated message. Besides, I prefer a more traditional approach. And I also prefer hot chocolate. Now, there's... ew.
I don't even know why you like that drink so much.
And I don't know why you hate it so much.
Babe. See, that drink feels like mud. Okay? And then it feels like it's going to, mess up with the tissues in your throat and it's going to stick it.
Come on, you know I do have to go grocery shopping and...
Not before breakfast. And remember, we have a date tonight.
No. I wish we could go for lunch instead. You know I hate traffic. I don't want to be stuck in traffic.
Traffic? What traffic, baby? It's Christmas. Everyone is going back home to their families, their loved ones to celebrate Christmas. There's not going to be traffic.
Besides, I don't have anything to wear.
Okay, you know what? We'll do a lunch date and you don't need to worry about anything. You know I don't mind. Okay? I understand that you're an introvert. But this is the time you go back to bed.
Are you shooing away?
And let me serve you breakfast in
Breakfast?
bed.
You don't have anything to prepare.
Okay? Watch me do this.
Well, if it isn't the latest mother in town, how's my baby doing?
He just fell asleep. I wonder where he gets his energy to cry all night. Look at my eyes, girl. My eye bags.
Isn't it worth it? It's worth it, come on.
Yes. Look at my boobs, babe. See my boobs? My boobs feels like they want to explode from breast milk. Hold on. Are you having breakfast in bed? Is that Somto's house?
Yes, he did invite me to come spend weekend. And he insisted, so.
Wow! God has really compensated you. 8 months of dating, breakfast in bed. You've really broken dad and mom jinx though.
Well, I hope they believe that.
Come on. When are you traveling home?
No, I'm not going home for Christmas. Please.
Hey, you know that is a joke. You and I know that is not possible. You don't even have the balls to go against mom and dad. You have never rebelled against them as a teenager.
Well, my dearest Annie, there's always a first time. And this is going to be my first time to rebel, so... Listen, besides, you're not even coming home, so... What's Christmas without a complete family? Tell me.
Baby girl, for me, I have a good reason not to go. Because I have a baby and I cannot travel with my child. So you, on the other hand, sweet sis, have to go home. And please make sure you go with your boyfriend.
I know, but I can't face them alone. Oh, there she goes again. Always dropping the call. Oh, honey.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Just Pius, come on. Good to see you again, babe.
I didn't know that you were back in the country.
Yeah, just briefly, I'll be heading back immediately after I take you out for dinner.
I have a boyfriend.
Anyway, you can tag along now if he's hungry.
No, thank you, no.
It's just me being nice as Pius. Anyway, if you say so, who am I to object? So these means bye, right? I'll see you at your parents' for Christmas. And I'm certain you wouldn't want to break their hearts. Would you? See you.
I'm not going home for Christmas.
Say that again. See ya.
She has picked.
She has picked.
Hi, Mommy.
Deborah, why are you not home?
Hi, Daddy.
I'm here too.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Debbie, your dad has not slept for so many days. He now call your name from his sleep.
Come on, sweetheart. You sound as if it was just me. You didn't sleep either.
So tell me, when are you coming home?
I think she needs money.
No. Come on, Dad. I have enough money. You don't have to bother.
Oh, that explains it. Meaning she's booked her ticket already.
Oh, so we should be seeing her by next week. Huh? I told you, she didn't need us.
What? What?
It's just that you insist that we should call her. If not, I really didn't want to bother her.
Why are you blaming me? Were you not eager to call her as well? Huh? You're like seizing any little opportunity to blame your wife. Why are you like this, Nusa?
I'm here. Can you hear me?
Look, sweetheart, how can I blame my love? My only love. It's just that I didn't want it to look as if we are overpressuring her. You know? That was why. Eh? What?
Dad, can you hear me? Oh, there they go again.
What?
You didn't even finish the snacks I suffered to make for you.
Oh, sorry, my love. You know we've been talking to our daughter. Actually, this thing is so sweet, so delicious. I didn't want it to get finished on time. Right.
Really? Deborah, I'll talk to you later. Excuse me.
Hey, Tonto, you forgot your keys.
Oh. Thanks, bro. Thanks.
Wait a minute. Is this what it feels like to be proposing?
Bro.
You're literally shaking, bro.
See,
You haven't even got into the restaurant.
you don't get it, yeah? I have waited for this forever.
Okay.
And I still feel like I'm not ready. Did you make the slideshow?
This is the 4th time you're asking me this question. Anyways, everything is under control. I've instructed the restaurant staff and they are just doing their jobs already.
Okay. But do we need to go over everything again? I don't know. I'm super nervous, trust me.
I know you're nervous, but this is it. You're going to walk into that hotel with your babe. And now, at the middle of your meal, the restaurant staffs are going to walk in with the "Will you marry me" balloon. And then you're going to go down on your knees and you're going to make all the promises that you have never made before.
Oh my jeez. And definitely everything will be perfect.
Oh, yes, it's going to be perfect tonight. It's going to be perfect. I know you're going to like it because I'll be the first person to say, "Congratulations, bro!"
See, you are a real one.
Yeah, that's how we roll. That's why I'm your main man.
Bro. But on a more serious note, I'm nervous.
You're nervous.
I'm nervous. You said I go in there.
Yes, you're going in with your babe.
Okay.
Then at the middle of the meal, they're going to come in with the "Will you marry me" balloon. All right.
I'll keep you updated. Yeah?
I'll be waiting for your call.
Your brother is nervous.
Shake it, daddy. I got you, bro. My bro.
Shown me that true love exists. You have carried my heart away, carried me run away. Can I be your only lover? I will break the walls of tradition for you. Will you be my first lover? You have carried my heart away, carried me run away. But not someone like you. You might not be the first, but you are my first. Oh, you have shown me that true love can conquer any challenges that we have. Hey, you have carried my heart away, carried me run away. Can I be your only lover? I will break the walls of tradition.
I hope you love it.
It's really nice.
I hope you like it.
Of course. But isn't the food to your liking?
Oh, it's lovely.
You exceeded my expectations though. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah. Enjoy cheap money. You make good cheap. Oh, the one you told me yesterday.
Yes, no. It's $1 million.
But I told you I will give you 2 million. You make good cheap.
I love you. Hey, thank you so much.
Enjoy yourself.
You're going to spoil you. You know. Is everything okay? You've been on your phone all the while, babe.
Yeah, it's just work stuff. I had to send some stuff to Io. It's just office stuff. That's all.
That's all right.
Yeah, so.
Sure you're fine?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You keep being nervous.
Me? I'm fine. It's just the work. Also.
Can you just drop your phone?
Okay.
Please. Yeah. No, in bed, you know what I can do, right?
Here you go.
Baby, I'll marry you. Marry you. Baby, put the ring. I'll marry you. Yes.
Marry
yes.
who?
You.
What is happening here?
I'll marry you. Yes.
Wait, is this a Christmas bonanza from your restaurant or what?
Baby, what are you saying now? Are you not going to marry me again? Baby, put the ring now. Stop it now. Everything's not prank now. Baby, put the ring.
Oh. You are the one that arranged this. Yeah? So that people will film me and show to my wife.
Baby, what are you saying?
You want to scatter my family.
What? Why would you say this now? You know me better. Put the ring now. Baby, come on.
Also, no.
Put the ring.
Also, no.
Baby.
See, before I close my eyes and open it, you say about four.
Baby,
I think you say about four.
Baby, I'm not going anywhere. You know you promised me Christmas gifts. You get the ring. Why would you do it now? Baby, you promised something now. You get the ring.
Okay, I promise you Christmas getaway.
Yes,
and you want to get me out from my marriage.
Baby, that's not it now.
Eh? You want to get me out from my marriage?
No.
Yeah? Baby. Now leave this place. Say about see so. Also now marriage go again. Yeah? Oye during who sent you? Who sent you? Hi. I call Ndiro. Ogere Rono. Huh? How? Marepa.
That's mine. Whoa!
Hey, I beg. Where did you throw your phone?
So why didn't you just respond? Why didn't you respond? Huh? You saw my missed call. Why didn't you respond? No. I told you to abort mission, okay? Unexpected turn of events. Well, I did end the relationship, but the lucky thing is that it wasn't my relationship. But listen, Deborah is still waiting for me, all right? I will tell you everything when I see you. But please just know that nothing happened. I beg you. I got my baby's favorite.
Aww.
There you go.
Thank you. Oops, a bit hot. So, you just made a glass waiter. Then we just break our glasses and celebrate Christmas.
Deborah, I won't forgive you if you ever make this for me. No, I'm just waiting.
I'm stupid.
No, wait, let me do it for you. No, don't say that.
I didn't know what I was thinking.
It's fine.
I wasn't even thinking at all.
Relax.
Yeah, I'm going through the... Yeah, I can hear you. Okay. Where? The second folder? Okay. I'm looking at it. Yeah, I've seen it. The one that stated it's about 8.5 million naira.
Excuse me. Don't, are you stupid? Are you blind? Come on, don't touch me. How stupid of you. You never get anything right in your life. You're always careless with everything. It's either you're spilling this or you're breaking that or you're doing this wrongly. When can you ever get anything right in your life? Not that your parents are, okay, well, your mom sometimes can be careless. And I put them off too far from the truth, obviously. I want to see standing there doing. Sorry for what? Go get something to clean this place up. Drop the cookies. Go with the glass. Move! Goodness, such an unfortunate being. Look at my clothes. Forget anything right.
Hello?
Hey, you know what? Let me,
I wasn't thinking.
Come on, stop, no. Come on, I'll do it for you. Come on.
I wasn't thinking.
What did you say?
I'm sorry, I didn't know. I'm such a stupid person.
I've told you a million times that do not call yourself by that name. It was only a mistake. Okay? Now, take them back.
I'm not stupid.
Yes, you are not stupid. Because you are gorgeous. You're beautiful. And I am so blessed to have you. And I love you. Where's that? Where's that?
I...
were supposed to spend the Christmas together.
Well, it's a family tradition. We don't spend our Christmas outside home.
So why didn't you just tell me?
I wanted to. Well, I thought I'll be able to get out of it, but he insisted. So we should
go together. Oh, you want us to go together? Oh my God, babe. You know, I was going to ask you, but I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know what you were going to say. I didn't want to be pushy. But hey, I would love to spend the Christmas with you.
Oh.
At home. It's going to be fun. So you can just respond. Tell them you're coming.
Wait. No way. You mean she's taking you home? My goodness. No wonder she didn't say a word on this one. She had this perfectly planned out.
Well, it's a good thing I didn't propose. God works in mysterious ways. Now I am going to give her the proposal of her dreams at Christmas Eve in front of the whole family.
This is sounding so nice. So you mean you have this perfectly planned out already?
Of course. Nothing will go wrong. I only hope that her parents like me the song.
Oh, sure they will. Who doesn't want an in-law for Christmas? I mean, you're about to experience the best Christmas ever. Ew! It sounds nice, man.
There you go.
Rice and stew, very plenty. I like this, man. I like the way it sounds.
Yeah.
Wow.
Man. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers to big life, man. I can't wait to be your best man. Yeah, comes around.
What? You're taking him home?
I don't know. Do you think it's a rash decision? What? Why do you look so alarmed? I thought you wanted me to take him home. You don't think I can do it, do you?
No. Of course not. I mean, this is new. I did say you should take him home. True. It's about time.
So, what do I say?
Okay, baby girl. Is that easy? Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. This is my boyfriend, Tonto.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. This is my boyfriend, Tonto.
Yeah, you can, baby. You can. Bye. Bye.
What? Okay. You can do this, Deborah. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. This is my partner, Tonto. No, not partner. Let's do this again. Mom, Dad, meet my man, Tonto. Oh my God. Don't let this be the worst Christmas ever.
What is it? Is she bringing someone home?
Her house won't be empty after all.
So, who is she? And what does she do?
I don't know. I didn't ask. Why didn't I ask? I'm supposed to ask, right?
Well,
Am I getting old?
Oh, come off it. You're not getting old. You were just excited.
Was I?
Yeah. Look, sweetheart. You have not changed a bit. From the first day I set my eyes on you till now.
But why is she bringing someone? Do you think trouble in paradise?
No. Look, our daughters, we have what we have. Just look at Annie. Deborah and Pius, they are in a good place.
Pius. He hardly calls us though.
Trust me. They are in a good place.
Just like us?
Just like us.
Oh dear, your hand, guy. I'll make you snacks.
Snacks?
Yes.
Yes.
Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born.
We're almost there. Excited? Hey. You don't seem bright. What's wrong?
Great. Super excited. I was just wondering how you're gonna cope with my parents' mushiness. They can be really mushy.
Mushy? This is the best thing I've ever heard. Like a mushy couple at an old age. Oh my God, you make me miss my parents, trust me. I just wish they were alive.
Yeah, I was trying to avoid that. I don't want you to feel uncomfortable.
What, me? Of course not. I'm not going to feel uncomfortable. Being in this space only reminds me that I have to love you dearly.
Okay, so whatever my mom feeds you with, eat it gratefully. No complaints.
Why do you keep emphasizing on that? Is something wrong with your mom's cooking?
No, just family traditions.
Family traditions?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, don't worry. But I just want you to know that I wish that our daughter will find someone that would love her the way I love her mother.
Thank you.
Don't worry. See, we're gonna get through it. So, do not worry. Okay? Love you.
Love you more.
Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king born today, and man will live forever because of Christmas Day. Trumpet sounds and angels sing, listen what they say, that man evermore because of Christmas Day.
I so miss you.
Oh, I miss
Oh,
you,
God.
Daddy. Oh. It's obvious Mom has been taking good care of you.
That's my color. Everything is changing.
Oh, Dad, I miss you. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go in. Up. Mom. Oh. You look good. Same as you, Mom. Oh.
Forevermore, because of Christmas Day.
Your mom does this to every person that comes. You know, according to her, it brings good tidings.
Dad, come on, don't make her head swell.
Good day, Ma. Good day, sir. It's my utmost pleasure to be invited into your home.
Mom, Dad, meet Tonto, my colleague.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
We had unfinished. We had some work. We had some more work in the office, so I asked him to come spend the holidays with us, so I won't be apart from the family.
Oh.
And guess what? He graciously accepted.
Brilliant idea.
Such a sturdy young man. And very considerate of it.
Yes.
Please welcome to our board, okay?
Listen, we are always happy to welcome any of our daughter's friends. So, we're glad to have you. Come in.
Let's go.
For now, I am your mother.
Oh. Yeah, of course, mommy.
Want to help me with this?
Oh, sure. Thank you, daddy. Sure. Oh, daddy, I've missed you so much.
What was that for? What happened out there?
Please just calm down. I don't want them to hear us.
You want me to calm down? You want me to calm down? Do I look like some sort of a joke to you?
No, please, you're not a joke. I was tensed. My parents, they won't understand. Okay, Pius and I have been together for a really long time, and I promise you they won't understand.
They won't understand what? Huh? This is the best time to tell them the truth. Like, open up to them. Tell them that he abused you. Okay? You are the victim here.
Yeah, but trust me, they won't understand. Listen, okay, it will break their hearts. Okay, listen, please, come on. My parents, especially my mom, she's so paranoid. If she finds out half of what has happened to me, she'll continue to cry all my life. And I don't want to be tended to. I don't want anyone to pity me. I don't want anyone to feel sorry for me. And I'm sorry.
Hey. Okay, so I'm gonna be your colleague for now. For how long?
No. Well, yes, no. I mean, you and I will still. Oh yeah, we just have to be ourselves. Okay. We have 2 weeks until Christmas. I'm sure they're going to fall in love with you. Who wouldn't fall in love with you? I'm sure they'll love you, and we'll tell them before Christmas Eve. Yes, before Christmas Eve, we'll tell them.
Before Christmas Eve?
I promise. Yes.
Before Christmas Eve?
Yes. Before Christmas Eve.
Before Christmas Eve?
Okay, come on, please.
It's okay. Can you turn on the AC and swear?
Wait, wait. She did what?
It's just temporary. Yeah. You know how parents could get. No. He's like a son to them.
Damn. Are you trying to tell me you're going to play pretense for 2 weeks? 2 whole weeks?
So they can make an independent judgment and not base a judgment on emotions.
All right. Man, I'm speechless, man.
It's just for 2 weeks. What could possibly go wrong?
All right, I'm going to talk to you later, man. I'll talk to you later.
Okay. All right.
Oh, this guy. Sorry, bro. Sorry. I was just talking to a friend. So, okay, I'm to play right now. All right. I'm gonna win you on this one, man. You don't know the stuff I'm made of. Just watch and see. Watch it. Ah! Damn! Now do something.
You did what?
You know how mom and dad can be.
Oh no. This guy has so traumatized you that you lack the confidence to speak up.
Don't say that, Annie. Come on, I am done blaming Pius for anything. Listen, I'm taking decisions that I think are best for me. I'll just let them, mom and dad get to know him for themselves.
Babe, you literally have the most understanding man by your side. Sometimes kind is rare.
I wonder how I got so lucky. Trust me, I'm sure mom and dad will love him.
I pray this doesn't go wrong. I just pray. Girl, I need to go right now. Baby's up. Okay?
As always. Bye.
Hi. Oh, we have you. Oh, auntie. Oh, you look so good. Oh, you can say that. Okay. Oh, come here. Oh.
This Christmas is going to be a great one.
Good day, uncle. You look so good.
Full house.
Oh. Deborah! Oh, I'm here, hale and hearty, in full flesh, baby.
I know.
Oh, come here, I missed you.
Oh,
good.
Yeah, you do yourself.
Oh.
Wow.
Who is this dark glass of chocolate?
Your cousin brought him home.
Actually, they haven't finished business.
Oh, excuse me. Oh,
Some tour.
Lebanon.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Lebanon.
Oh, my name have never sounded so desirable before.
Yes. She's Lebanon, my cousin.
He looks single, right?
Sure, he looks single, right, honey? I mean, no woman would love to have a man apart for Christmas.
Yeah.
Sure, you're very correct, my love. As a matter of fact, I cannot stay apart from my queen.
Aww.
Not even for a second.
Yeah.
Single? Me? Single?
Oh
You didn't say anything either.
What did you expect me to say when she was talking to your mother? Did you want me to just interrupt her?
Then what did you expect me to say to her also? Come on.
They are your family, so you know how to handle them.
Handle? Lebanon. No one handles Lebanon. She can't even handle herself. She does as she pleases.
So is that what you expect?
What are you talking about?
So you expect her to do what she pleases with me? But you allow that?
No, I will not allow her do as she pleases with you. Okay, I'm sorry. Babe, I'm sorry.
I should have known, okay? I should have known. I should have known that nothing good comes from telling a lie. You just keep running in circles from one lie to another lie and to another lie.
I don't know what I was thinking. I'm just dumb.
Hey. Come on. Don't say that about yourself. You're not dumb.
Okay. I'm not dumb.
Yeah, you're not dumb. Okay? Hey. The deed is done. So let's look ahead. At least we have 2 weeks for them to get to know me. And hey, keep your cousin away. Alright?
Thank you.
Come here.
That's fine.
Not even start.
They already started.
This is actually a good tradition. Well, I mean, isn't it too early? Isn't it best for the neighbors to wake up to their presents on Christmas morning or something?
Well, most of our neighbors, they're traveling to their hometown. So if we don't share it now, it means we have to wait for them to return at New Year.
Exactly. You know, moreover, we already have their New Year presents. You know, we've got them ready.
So I'm definitely adopting this and I'm starting my own family.
So while we're at it, may I go to some snacks?
No.
Well, I am adopting this tradition when I start a family.
Well, why bother my queen about making snacks? You know, when we have so much work to do, right?
Exactly.
Moreover, we can make do with the snacks that both of you, I mean, Deborah and Somto returned with.
Definitely, yes.
Let me see what you have in there. Oh, not again.
Something wrong?
This is mine. They're supposed to be thin.
Oh, let me.
I must have forgotten something.
Well, you know, old age comes with its attendant.
You're calling me old? No, you just called me old.
No, my love. What I meant is, old age has its...
There! You just did it again.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so, I will get the last gift. This will not happen.
And I hope you're not planning to drive so you won't give your uncle a heart attack.
I don't think so.
Just saying.
Okay. I have something that I'm not done with.
Yes,
I'm not finished doing.
You do, yeah.
So I think I would not go out now.
Trust me, tonto. You do not want to stay in this house. If those two lovebirds are not at ease with each other. You need no convincing.
I forgot I needed to get pads. Very urgent.
I'm sure they attend to customers at the back seat.
But since I'm here, I might as well just sit.
As well just sit at the back so I can have some proximity with my sugar.
What sugar?
Sugar. You look sweet and I'm sure it tastes sweet as well.
Ladies, hey. Ladies, I think Deborah should drive. I am not too familiar with the route. I would sit at the back seat.
The back is actually more comfortable.
I honestly don't understand why we'd have to just wash the car here in the house and not just take the car to a car wash. You know, if they could wash the car better.
That's because you will gain my father's trust this way. Come on. See, my parents believe that one of the joys of Christmas is doing everything together. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe you have to get a jotter. Okay, and then just list all the things that they need. Okay? I think your parents are supposed to open a school and teach people how to celebrate Christmas.
Trust me, you're gonna do fine. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Yes, I'm in for all of it. All of it.
That's why I love you.
All of it.
No, so someone might see.
You want to see us?
No.
I want to see.
Someone might be watching. Yes.
You guys are having all the fun activities without me.
Well, that's because you feel every chore is torture. Come to think of it. Tell me, since when do you consider car wash as fun?
Don't be so bitter, cousin. People change.
That Lebanon, you can never change, my cousin.
Okay, let me help you. Don't worry. It's fine. Okay, Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh God, your body looked so tanned. I wondered how to look when wet.
Huh?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Your body looks so dry. I wondered how you would look when you were wet.
No, you don't.
I did.
Can you guys just stop this?
You're so dead right now.
Stop. You know you guys are not supposed to do this, right?
I didn't know we had
No, you know you guys are not supposed to do this, right? You know you guys are not supposed to do this, right?
And may we live forevermore because of Christmas Day. May we live forever.
Oh, stop! Is that what you made? I'm trying to make the cookies.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Wow.
You saw them, right?
Oh,
Those two. Yeah. They're having the time of their lives. That boy, Tonto, he's a good breed, you know.
I wish we had one more daughter, honestly.
What of Lebanon? She seems to have an eye for that young man.
Honey, you know Lebanon had eye for everything.
Well,
She would turn him into one of her experiments.
no. That boy is too good for that.
A good boy like him deserves a good woman by his side from exceptions.
I agree with you. Particularly a high school sweetheart like us.
You know, the first is always the best. Saves you from heartbreaks, incessant people around, and what have you. Honestly, I wonder what his story is.
Ah, sweetheart. We don't need to pry.
You're right. You know, I still wonder what it would have been if we had a son. Come to think of it, how come we've grown old?
Sweetheart, you can never be too old for anything.
Who said that? It was just like yesterday and this is us. Bargaining.
What do you think you're doing? Designing my face?
I'm trying to picture you 30 years ago.
By designing it for me like that?
Oh my word!
Do you want me to return?
No.
You shining
Oh, this kitchen is so messed up.
I can't even begin to imagine it. My parents are just so embarrassing. Who the hell has a flower fight at this age? Come on.
What they say is true.
What?
You never value what you have till you lose it. You know? The most ungrateful people in the world are blessed with the finest things on the earth. Yeah? Even things money can't buy.
Yeah. I know they're cute. And I sound like an ingrate at the moment, but come on. Look at all the stress. Look at the mess. Please.
Have you asked why I came to spend the Christmas holidays here?
That's because uncle and aunt are abroad, right?
Oh. And they said I'm the dumb one.
Hey!
Deborah. They fight all the time. They yell at each other. See, do you know how it feels like to stay in a toxic space for 24 hours?
I'm sorry.
No, don't be. You know I hate Tom being sorry for me, okay? I'm not the victim. I'm just shouting my curse.
A real Gen Z bad indeed.
But on a more serious note, you and Annie are the luckiest girls in the world, you know. You guys have men that wants to show you the kind of love your parents shared. And come to think of it, how do you do this? Like, stay with someone like forever? My relationship barely lasts 3 months.
Lebanon. That's because you get bored of them easily and you're determined not to keep anyone, so.
And that's not changing either.
Oh, you have someone already?
Oh,
Not yet, but soon. Yeah, if I play my card, so.
Okay.
Why won't I want to fall in love or find love in my romantic uncle's house?
Well, can you imagine the other day, Tonto was telling me that himself and his girlfriend went to the mall, they went shopping.
Oh, wait, pause. Rewind.
Oh, they went to the mall and they went shopping.
No, that you said something. Wait. Tonto has a girlfriend.
Oh, yeah. Well, they were practically they were, on the talking stage, and they just recently got serious, and he was just telling me.
Wow. That makes him more attractive to me, Because I was beginning to lose interest. I was wondering why no woman would want such a romantic man, a very handsome man.
Oh, you mean you want to drag a man with another woman?
No, not that. But I'm just trying to pick the diamond out from the depths. What the Bible says, you don't cast your pearl in front of the swine. Yeah.
Okay.
But you see, she's a fool, a very, very big one at that. Because how would you let a man spend the holiday in a colleague's place? She's a very big fool, and she doesn't deserve him. Yeah. Don't you think so?
Well, relationship matters. I don't know. I don't want to get involved.
He's really cute. Shit.
You've been eating very little. Is the food not to your liking?
Wow, lovely.
Good, Auntie. Perfect.
The food is very delicious, ma'am. Although I'm trying to understand the pungent flavor in it, it gives me this nostalgic feeling.
Oh.
There's something about there's a familiar spice in this.
Well, I blend garlic and ginger together.
That's it. It actually reminds me of my mom's cooking. Yeah.
A young guy with taste bud that appreciates good food. It takes a queen to raise such a person with this good palate.
Well, for me, seeing all of you around the table makes me full already. I mean, I definitely did not like the emptiness of the table in the past.
Just wait till Annie comes next year with her little one. You will experience the joy of grandparenthood. I'm going to spoil them with my recipe, my snacks.
Oh, I'm sure you both are going to suffocate him. Too much love. I feel for him. Truly, I do.
She can do that herself.
Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, sure. Still there. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Well, I hope you all enjoy yourselves.
Of course.
Nice.
Something?
Yeah, Papa.
You enjoy the meal?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Come close.
Can we?
Oh.
Eat up.
Just turn them blonde?
No, Mom. Food.
After this, you can give us some snacks.
No, I will bake cake after this.
Mom, no, I don't want any dessert.
Cake?
No, Mom. We're fine with this.
Okay, perfect will do.
Auntie,
Yeah.
this is your best meal ever. Perfect.
That's what you say about my meal every year.
Oh, well, I personally think she's only saying the truth.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you for liking my food.
It's really good.
Thank you. Yeah.
And we really appreciate it.
She was only saying the truth.
Come on, baby. That is too low, you know that.
You just sat there and you watched her caress the corners of your mouth and even your beard without even saying anything.
Well, she's a handful, I admit that, okay? But your level of jealousy is intense.
Oh, please. I wasn't.
I saw you. I saw how you were stabbing her with those eyes.
No, I did not.
You did, baby. You did.
I didn't.
You did.
I did not. I just simply sat there.
Okay, so what did you do? You grabbed her hair. And then you banged it on the table. I know those eyes. I saw you do that. You definitely banged the head on the table. Now tell me how many times.
Uncountable.
I hate to make you jealous.
Well, you do it all the way.
But because I love to see how sexy you look while at it.
Someone might see. Come on, stop. Someone might see.
What's on your mind? Tell me, what were you thinking?
I was thinking.
What were you thinking?
Hands off. Please don't mind.
Then maybe you should tell her to take hands on me.
Really?
Yes, because all I want is your hands. Far from my back. Oh, I like it, right?
Deborah,
Daddy.
could you pass me the snacks, please?
Or should I get mommy snacks for you?
I wouldn't mind.
I love birds.
Maybe nine.
Tonto picked it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Don't you think it's better to send emails? I mean, like technology, you know, it's faster, easier, and it saves us from the hustle from writing.
You see, this is the Macaulay's family Christmas tradition. Yeah. Oh, let me see. Oh, wow. Writing. Beautiful. Oh, this is lovely. See?
Yes, of course. Like you said earlier, penning down the wishes carries the festive magic.
Yes, that's it. Exactly.
And not only that, we have to do this always. Always. Till eternity, right? Because Christmas is tradition. So everything must be done the traditional way. Technology has spoiled us and robbed us of our communal spirit. Am I right, honey?
Of course, my love. This is how it has always been done. I mean, why change a perfect practice, you know, that bonds the family together? It's not necessary.
And not only that, that's the only time the whole family gets to sit together and do the writing. You can't imagine the wonders of handwritten notes. Just like the ones you used to sing to me during our courtship.
You know.
Remember?
Of course I do.
We must protect this perfect tradition.
That is it.
But I guess it's more like whose handwriting looks better.
Doesn't really matter.
I mean, it's not a competition.
But you always preferred Annie's to mine.
That was then, baby. For now, it has to come from your heart. Let me see what you've written.
Okay, Auntie. Oh my
Now I know
word.
where you got the, spirit of handwritten reminders.
Now I know where you got your spirit from Christ.
Oh.
His birthday is wonderful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Be happy. So sweet. Yes, that reminds me. I forgot the women group letters.
Oh.
Oh my Lord, not again. Why am I so forgetful these days? Why? Lebanon?
Yes, Auntie.
Honey, please. Go to my room.
Okay.
Get those. The last drawer. Just pack everything.
You know where it is, right?
Pretty please.
But I'm sending you.
Okay, Auntie, I'll go.
I'll make you some cookies.
Oh,
you're in for a treat, Lebanon.
Honey, can I have some?
Of course.
Tonto picked it out.
Really?
Yes.
You have a good taste.
Thank you. But certainly not like your own.
Yeah, of course. You don't need to eat this again because of your health.
Yes. Deborah?
Daddy.
You want mommy to give you some snacks? Mommy's snacks?
No, I'm fine. Come on, Dad. I'm okay.
Have you forgotten something?
What?
No, Mommy.
We've not called Annie today.
Oh.
Right.
More letters? God, I'm gonna break my fingers.
Oh, I'm sure you don't joke with this tradition.
Jeez.
You'll be fine. And this goes to my one and only favorite guest.
Yeah.
Tonto. Since you say your writing is nice,
Yeah.
I would love you to do the whole writing and from your heart.
Oh.
I hope you don't mind.
Mind? No, I don't mind. Yes, I would do it. I will pen it down.
And you do just fine.
Do you want anything like chocolate?
No, Mommy, we had some in front of him.
Really?
Yes.
So you're good?
Yeah,
You're not leaving here until we don't write.
But you said your favorite guest should do all of
I want you to watch him while writing.
Okay, Mommy.
That's the fun of it.
Fine.
You know, he's always considerate, so he will help us out. I hope you don't mind, Tonto.
I don't mind, sir.
Let me see what you've written.
Okay.
Okay.
So my best mom.
Oh
my word.
I was just thinking, if you're gonna be staying here, then we do need a perfect excuse.
So why are you saying that and you're tapping on this? More letters?
Is that supposed to be PTSD? I just thought we should just look like we're discussing work or something.
Babe, my fingers are stiff. Very stiff.
Sorry.
Okay, now this feels good. But I want to know, like all those letters, the recipients, do they respond?
Of course. And my parents carefully keeps them aside.
Wow.
And trust me, they read them to each other all year long.
Isn't it wonderful?
What?
Like, I mean, to want to be forever with that special person, being in your corner with that special person. Spend time forever together.
You know, my parents, they're so obsessed with first because they were each other's first. Annie and her husband, they were also each other's first, funny enough, high school sweethearts.
So is that why you're scared? Like you're afraid that we will not have a perfect ending because I was not your first. We know each other's first.
Come on, no. Hey, you are the best thing that's ever happened to me. It's just that my parents will need a little bit of time to take it all in.
I love you, Deborah. I love you so much. You know, to think of how silly all of this is, and then I'm supposed to be mad. But yet still, I am happier, regardless of the lies and me being your colleague. Hey, you are worth it. You are worth it all.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for putting you through all this stress. You deserve better. You deserve more.
You are the best thing that's ever happened to me. And I am willing to do this over. And over. And over again. And over again. Over again.
Deborah. Deborah. Answer that she called you. She made your favorite meal.
Oh, okay. I'll be right down. No. Just freshen up and calm down.
Okay.
Don't worry. I won't take time, okay?
This is a man's belt.
Oh?
Yeah.
Oh. Lebanon.
A matured man's belt.
Come on, a Gen Z baddie. You don't know the difference between a man's belt. That's the new Jeane I got. It's called a boyfriend Jeane. It comes with it. Come on. Let me have it.
Oh.
Give it to me.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm sure it's that bad boys that so listen to you.
Whatever you want to say about it, but I love my jeans.
They can sell anything.
At least it goes around my waist.
Can make anyone that have a source of strength buy a bucket of water. Okay, let's go. Come on, come on.
Of course, I'll join you shortly. I'll have to freshen up. My breath stinks.
Don't sleep again, because I want to make sure again.
I don't know.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yes, tonto? That is my wife's special holiday drink.
It's really good.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh my word. You finished it? I told you he would love it.
Exactly. As a matter of fact, he would have loved it better moments ago when it was hot.
That reminds me, Sonto, I was in a room this morning seeing you right out.
Oh, I went for a run.
Run?
Yeah.
You're too fresh coming from someone that went for a run. No single drop of sweat.
I mean, I went for a walk actually.
Okay.
Yes, I actually love to, let out everything that I feel and soak everything in, enjoy the beauty of nature.
Oh, that's nice. And you know this Hamilton is not even helping matters.
Yeah.
I'm sure you will need more to warm up. Don't worry.
Yes.
I get you covered. Excuse me.
Yes. He will love it.
And ta-da!
Yeah. Sweetheart.
Yeah, baby.
We didn't ask for more.
Who is offering you? It's for Sonto. Since he's the only one appreciating my effort right now. So, boy, you know what? Drink up. Wait, Auntie, did you get this prepared already? Well, I heated the water beforehand. My God, Phil told me that he will never stop. Oh. Yeah, that's true. I told you someone will like my food. So please, don't worry. You'll love it. Yeah. More and more, and this Christmas time will have nothing.
Eat up, everyone.
Yeah. You love the egg.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. But, sweetheart, don't you think the sugar is...
Come on, honey. He's still young. He needs the sugar. He's not our age.
Come on, drink up. Come on.
I have a text message.
You like the egg? I love it. I spice it.
Oh!
What's that?
This time we brought home our Christmas tree.
Oh, really? Oh, nice. There's more from where this came from.
Sweetheart. He actually, Sonto, volunteered to accompany me to bring the Christmas tree.
Yes. Shall we? Yes, absolutely true. We are actually on our way.
And your plantain?
Deborah,
Daddy?
you can have some chocolate?
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll take one.
Shall we?
All right, then.
Dad, make sure you bring back a very nice tree, okay?
Yeah. Wow, this is nice. You love it. I love it. It's good for the weather.
And with marshmallows, it tastes awesome.
Yeah.
Oh my word.
Young man, you see, there's something I have come to realize over the time, and that is, there is no Christmas without Christmas tree. You will see for yourself. By the time we get home and we start decorating the Christmas tree, you will see how brightened up my wife, my queen, will be.
I must say that it is really beautiful what you and your wife have.
Come on. You will have the same thing. Even better. Trust me.
But I want to know, you really think so, sir?
Look, you qualify already. Yes. I can tell you that for free because if I interact with a young man for just a short period and approve of him, trust me, he will make a good husband.
Why did you say so, sir?
I know your secret. I know what you are hiding.
Sir, I am really sorry for pretending to you.
Oh, come off it. See, there is nobody that really enjoys my wife's chocolate drink, except Deborah, of course. But who would want to hurt her feelings? Because she prepared everything with love. You see, my wife might not be the best of cooks, but I can tell you this for free. She is a good wife, an excellent mother, okay? And that is why I will not hurt her feelings for anything. I mean, her happiness. I can't trade it for anything.
Honestly, sir, I do enjoy your wife's cooking. I do.
You see? This is why I say you will make a good husband. Yes. You see, there are certain inconveniences that you can go through, and it's worth it. Okay? I snore a lot, very loud when I'm sleeping. But my wife has never complained. Yes, that is a big sacrifice that she's making for me.
But how do you know that she does not complain, sir?
And that is the beauty of the whole thing. You see, she wears earbuds, yes, while I'm sleeping, and she wears them when I am fast asleep. So I wouldn't know. And she will remove them before I wake up.
Wow.
Yes. So that is the beauty of this whole thing. And that is what love is all about.
Wow.
Yes, in such a way that you can take those several inconveniences just for the sake of love.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you.
I now I understand what people mean by a match made in heaven. That's the union between you and your wife is an example of a match made in heaven.
You're very right. And please, even if you don't have anything, any work to do with my daughter, feel free to come over on holidays at my college. You'll be welcome. That is if you don't mind.
I don't mind, sir. Of course, sir. I will be there. And I'm so humbled for the invitation. And I promise that you would see more of me, sir.
That would be great. That would be great.
I can't wait to see the Christmas tree. It's a tradition that I remember when I was only little with my mother. So rest in peace. We used to experience something.
Oh, you see. I see. You are a great young man.
Right there. Good. Turn it. Keep turning the trees.
These things are following you.
They're not doing it well. Don't worry. They will do it. Not there.
Oh. Uncle.
Yeah, okay. That's it, right?
No. You're doing it upside down. Yes. Merry Christmas. With the star. Adjust this.
Yeah, let me just.
You why you were not joining them?
Yeah, I'm here now. So to this one.
Thank you. Yes, honey.
Doesn't this remind you of anything?
Always. The three we used to meet during our courtship. We go under, we talk so many sweet things. Why are you shy? Come on.
Every
year. Ah! You.
You both cannot get enough of each other.
Yeah, we know. Just like you and Pius can't get enough of each other.
Exactly.
If he were to be here, you do be all over him. Saying, saying all. See,
Can you raise that bell? Okay.
See, I wonder how you cope with one deal you like.
Maybe downstairs.
Just like eating one food for the rest of your life.
Ew.
Okay, come on, see. You know, when you find someone like him, don't you feel like adventure? You know that.
Wake up.
See.
Get a hold of yourself, Lebanon.
If I hadn't known you better, I'll say the way you look at him reveals the way you want those deep feelings.
Lebanon.
Okay, I said if I hadn't.
Can't you get? You know what?
But I know you.
Get up. Yes.
Go. Oh, it's fine. Okay, so Lebanon. And I heard that.
Dad, you encourage her.
No, we're not. We're watching the three.
But
I
you
said this one should be here. Come closer.
I'm doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, easy.
To the spot and just like this. Okay, I'm looking for. Can you help me? Oh, sure. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay, so can you just still help me? Oh, that would be that. Okay, get
you
that.
can come help me. Oh, wait. Yeah.
Okay, we should help you.
No, please, Lebanon. Don't worry. We'll take it from here. You can go. You can get us some drinks. For
Mom's cooking. Oh, let me go do some snacks.
Oh, of course, you should go with
Mom's
Mom.
cooking.
Yes. Mama, get us some cookies.
Okay. Come. This way. This way.
Yeah.
Okay, Mom. Let's go to the kitchen.
Yeah. We'll continue with it.
Okay. So this. Put this.
Will you?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
This way. Make
Okay,
sure
yeah,
this
see.
looks
Of course,
perfect.
Mama.
Come on.
They don't know how to do this.
Lebanon.
Know how to do it.
Can we just...
Uncle, you follow into the kitchen?
Yes, I want
just,
him in the kitchen.
Let me get your phone.
No problem. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir.
And make sure you're quick about it.
That man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While she has watched their flocks by night, they see a bright new shining.
You had the whole of your tattoo outside when she was talking to you. You were all romantic and stuff. Why are you laughing?
You're jealous.
Of what?
You're jealous of your cousin, isn't it?
Excuse me? Why would I be jealous of my cousin?
It shows all of you. Come on. We're just having a conversation, okay? A conversation without any talks of minds. Okay, I just feel that Lebanon is fun. She's hilarious. And I would say that she's my G.
Hmm?
It's fine. I take that back.
You know, when you're sending files like this to the MD, you just have to make sure you're transparent enough so that you won't mix up the chats and everything. You see the way this one is? Yes, of course. Yeah, you just...
Thank God you guys are just work produce.
What?
I mean, you would have made the most boring couple in history. I mean, holidays is meant to be for partying, getting high and all that. But who the hell brings work into their holiday home?
FYI, Tonto is a very fun person.
I see.
I saw a video of him and his girlfriend when they were drunk one time, right? Right. That video, yourself, your girlfriend, when you were high and karaoke, and, you know. Yes. Right.
Yeah, video. Yeah, video of me and my babe.
Yes.
My girlfriend. my girlfriend.
Yes.
She's my girlfriend is very fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so doesn't that mean she's having fun without you? Probably with someone else?
But, well, yes. His girlfriend is she's not just pretty, she's decent.
Loyal.
Yes, loyal.
Decent. Decent as in boring decent. Or virgin decent?
Well, they talk all the time. They always impose the phone talks. You know, same things the couples do. Speak of the devil. I think she's one calling.
Yeah.
You should take the call.
Let me take this call.
You should.
Yeah.
It's a private conversation.
Oh, I see.
Oh, babe.
Yes.
He looks cute when he's all shy, doesn't he?
Hold on. What up, Lebanon? You always love to party and get drunk and whatever during the holidays. Well, what are you doing here?
Partying and get drunk. Who wants to get drunk? I mean, who wants to get high? Well, we have this tall glass of champagne. I should be drunk in love.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, right.
So, I think I should tell him. What? What's what?
Okay, guys. It's time for our normal tradition.
Okay. This time we'll stand here. Okay, then we'll take this.
No, you stay here so that when I come, I can position myself.
Alright.
So I'll be here.
Yes.
Lebanon, you.
Lebanon.
At the middle. The green.
It's actually really
You know,
funny.
she's very tall, so she's above this.
Besides,
You know, I never imagined that I would, take Christmas pictures in matching pajamas close to a Christmas tree. Never ever did I ever imagine that.
wow, then welcome to the Macaulays.
Oh, thank you. So, I want to know, are we supposed to post this?
Oh, if you wish, because my parents just take these pictures and store them in the photo album.
Look, enough of this. Let us go straight to the business of the day, okay? You're now a professional photographer. A pro, right?
You are?
Yes.
A freelance.
So, let's get ready. All right. My angle is not like I always prove. I'm a professional in this thing.
Okay, this way.
Okay,
Yes.
just there,
Yes.
just this. I'll squeeze myself here. All right, so let's go. Let's see how it counts.
You can squeeze yourself.
It's counting.
7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, cheese! Oh. Well,
Such a handful.
well,
You were leaning too closely.
The way you're yelling my name is so undesirable. You know, you should take some lessons from some.
Can't we retake?
Let's see the picture first. Oh, Deborah, you should have concentrated a bit more.
I mean, you practically hid yourself behind the Christmas tree.
She wasn't seen at all.
Oh, this is appalling.
Can't we retake, please?
Do be ashamed.
Look, 1 is a lucky number. The first is always the best. So, anyway, this will serve as a good memory for the Macaulays.
Yeah, you're right.
So, shall we?
Yeah, come on, everybody.
Let's go.
Come on,
Everybody,
Yes,
Hey, I'm really sorry. Okay, I'm really sorry for everything. Please.
It's fine. You know what? I can't stand this anymore. I'm telling my parents tonight.
Sure.
Okay. Mom.
Yes. Come in. Your father is sleeping already.
Dad.
Princess.
Dad, I miss you. Sometimes I wish I could stay like this forever and not grow up.
Of course you can't stay like this forever.
Was it really worth it?
Of course it is. No matter how we wish you remain our little princess, nothing compares to you growing up and moving forward in life.
I think your mother is right. Like starting your own family and building your own home.
Well, about that.
Did Pius propose?
Did they propose?
No! I mean, not yet, I guess.
I wonder what is taking him so long. Should have done this Christmas. I mean, it would have been perfect.
Sweetheart, please don't pressure them.
Honey, this is almost 5 years in relationship. He has to make it official before it is. Don't mind me. Soon he will propose again.
Sweetheart,
Daddy.
you know your mother has accurate gut feelings. As a matter of fact, she has started customizing gift items for the wedding.
What? It's good omen.
Oh my God.
I told you not to tell her.
But the discussion warrants it.
What do you mean? This is what you did during Sania's wedding. You divulged what we are getting for her for present. Why would you be doing that?
Come on. She already knew. I only told her. I confirmed what she knew.
You confirmed what she knew. So why the reaction? You always look for a perfect excuse whenever you're wrong. Stop. Come leave me alone. I'm sorry, darling. Okay? Deborah.
Mom, stop it!
Do you tell them?
Don't even ask.
Well, I was trying to keep myself busy with work, waiting till you return. I assume you didn't tell them.
Well, I was about... What?
Where did you get this from? Did you actually eat this?
What? I saw them, yeah, so I just assumed that they were good for consumption.
Oh my god. These are Mom's Christmas cookies for Santa.
Oh my god. Oh my What?
You know what, this is a tradition she started, Mom Walido. She bakes these cookies and just keeps them out for Santa and tells everyone not to touch them because, you know, it's for Santa. And now you...
But there's no Santa.
Well, we were kids back then. So we didn't know any better. Okay, here's how it works. She bakes these cookies, she keeps them out there. And before going to bed, she takes a bite, okay? And in the morning, she tells us that Santa took a bite. And to appreciate our efforts, she shares the rest amongst us.
And you really believe that when you when you were kids?
Come on, she's our mom. You believe anything your mom tells you, wouldn't you? Well, guess what?
What?
Okay, so the next day she tells us to just place our Christmas wishes on the table, and that Santa is going to fulfill all our wishes. That he's grateful for, the cookies. Okay, and I guess that was enough justification. Come on.
The intention, is quite
Well, my mom's traditions have been there like forever. And trust me, I wouldn't be the one to break her heart.
So, what do we do now?
You have to replace them.
Replace them? Come on. I don't... First off, I do not know how to bake cookies. Even if I do know how to bake cookies, I don't think my cookies will taste as good as hers.
Good? So you do enjoy my mom's cooking?
Oh, so are you trying to say that your mom's cookies isn't good?
I don't know. Let's
Okay,
just
but listen. I don't like your mom's chocolate drink. Just for the record.
Don't let her hear that. Get out. No, she...
So now that we can't replace the cookies that I ate, what are we going to do?
You knew you couldn't bake, yet you chose to eat all of the cookies.
Come on, babe. I'm not supposed to be finding a solution than blaming
Let me think. Yes, we could go to the mall.
Are you serious? The mall? It's late. Which mall is going to be open by this time? Come on, if you want to think of something better. No.
Well, you didn't have any ideas. No ideas. Now I'm suggesting something you're saying. Anyway, home care. Yes, home care. They are open 24 hours. We could just try. Let's figure out something.
Okay, good. Let me just change.
Okay.
Wait. What if they don't have what we want?
Okay. Wait. Then pray. Just pray. I'm kidding. Let's rely on Mom's forgetfulness and see if we could swing it. We just hope that she doesn't remember the shapes that she made, and we just get something else, something close or whatever, and just...
I guess you have a point.
Yeah,
okay,
I think that could work. Let me change too. Yeah.
Right,
Come on quickly.
Alright.
Be ready.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
I know what you want.
Get out! Get out!
That's really good. We actually got from a special place.
It's really nice. What happened?
It has some creamy and vanilla taste. Yeah.
What is going on here?
Auntie, this is lovely. Trust me.
Really? Well,
still old me trying to give all of you a pleasant experience.
I'm sure Santa must have dropped his special magic on this cookie.
Sweetheart.
Yes, sir.
What actually happened? Did you try a new recipe?
No. Why? Does it not taste as nice as others?
Look, this is the best.
Seriously, it tastes like actual cookies. No, I mean, it's the best I've
We don't want you to share it.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Very well then. In that case, I have to make some more. If it tastes that good, and just give me an hour, 30 minutes.
Okay.
I will give it to you.
Alright, man.
And I will supply you the best of best.
Now you are in trouble. Be prepared to eat cookies.
Come on, get water.
What is you? Where is Lebanon and Deborah?
Deborah had an urgent call from work, and Lebanon,
Lebanon is notorious for avoiding chores ever since she was a child. I don't know what is wrong with her. She always heap her responsibilities on Deborah, and that one hardly confronts her. That's why they're always at loggerheads with each other. Chopping vegetables so effortlessly.
well, I cook. Yes, even though I still rely on YouTube videos, to guide me. Yes.
Well, men in this house know how to eat alone. I'm grateful because they don't complain.
Well, I think with the videos, I'm sure they would, it will help out, and I will be a good influence to them.
Wait. Can someone really learn how to cook by watching someone else through screen?
Yeah.
Technology. Technology these days is amazing. You can edit or fabricate anything to look like what it's not.
Yes. Our generation is not fortunate to have finger-licking recipes like the older generation. But we make do with what we have. Yes.
Well, everything I know about cooking, I learned by observing my mother.
Wow. Wow. You see why I say your generation is fortunate enough?
We don't have a recipe book. Everything we learned, or we supposed to know, is there.
And you remember all of it?
Well, with age, some things slip away. And that's where creativity comes in. What do you call it these days? Freestyle. I never told you that.
Mom, your secret is safe with me. Yeah, you don't have to worry. And to let you know that I enjoy your delicacies with gratitude.
Okay, for that, you have to start with...
Okay.
Result. How's it? Out of this world.
Out of this world.
Well, thank you.
Delicious.
I'll try your YouTube someday. Maybe we should do it together.
Yes, we'll do it together, mommy.
I never met a more versatile young man. It's a pity none of our son-in-law know how to cook. He made me wish I had another daughter.
He's such a pleasant young man. You know. As a matter of fact, I've invited him to come over whenever he's on holidays.
Oh, really?
Yes, that is if he so desires.
That's nice.
You like
I'd love
that?
to have him around.
Oh.
That reminds me. Don't you think that Payo's supposed to call to wish us a Merry Christmas at least? Not that he's been forced to spend the holidays here with us. But that's courtesy, right?
Well, I suppose he's going to do that on Christmas Day. I mean, he was decent enough to let us know that he won't make it.
It's not that he communicates with us often. David was much closer when he and Annie was courting before they get married. We were kept in their, courtship affair till the very end.
Nedo.
How often?
Nedo. Now you are comparing. You're going to hurt Deborah's feelings.
No,
Complaining about your daughter's men? Uncle, Auntie, I've told you, men are asses these days. Just self-aggrandizing, full of ego and bullshit, with nothing to offer. I think this is the attitude that has made you vow never to get a man of your own. Who says I don't want a man?
Oh, if you do, you wouldn't have let go of, what's that his name again?
Uzo.
Uzo.
Yeah. Wait. How come you still remember the name of my first boyfriend?
The first is always the best.
Now, be honest. In all of your journey to this and that, has anyone treated you nicely like Uzo? Well, we're just kids. We're just children, so.
Children, love grows. And it gets better by the day.
Not always.
What?
Sure, yes. Love grows.
You see that? Well, love is a luxury that not all of this generation these days can afford it. Yeah, everyone marries out on duty.
I disagree with you though. Oh. Yes, I do. Now listen, let me enlighten you. Marriage is a journey of love. It grows, gets better by the time, and it's best you stick to your very first partner because that will make the journey smoother. Like
like us.
That mentality has kept people in bondage. Yeah, you see, you can always find love again and again and again.
This is the reason she hasn't gotten a man of her own till now. She's keep waiting for again and again.
And again.
Yes.
What?
Okay, I think that much is not enough. Can I make
No, Mom, I'm okay with this.
No, I'm sure you need more snacks.
You are joking.
Joking. I'm not joking. You see these men, they can do anything under the guise of being philanthropists.
I can imagine the shock on his face.
Honestly, he was shocked. Do you know, I was even shocked that he was shocked because he was just touching that girl a few moments ago.
In front of the cameras?
And the girl couldn't speak. You see, he's going to do more behind the scene if he can do that much in front of the camera. So I seized the opportunity I got and got on the stage.
Wait, you taped his butt publicly?
Not just that. I squeezed. I squashed. I propped. He was alarmed. Yes. I can't take that, please. See, I wonder why he hasn't gotten to the news yet. I wonder how much they paid to cover it up.
And they never came for you.
Their father. Do they know me? I only came as a volunteer for the charity event. I never knew those useless sponsors were sampling children. I took to my heels and never looked back immediately I got off the stage.
You're joking, this is very hilarious, trust me.
Oh, let me guess. Your girlfriend.
Yeah.
Oh, then I should say hi. Uncle, Auntie, good afternoon. Guess what? Sometime and I were in the middle of a conversation and his phone started ringing. And he said it's his girlfriend. Guess who called him? It's ringing again.
You see, he must have been desperately trying to avoid having the conversation with you. And that is the more reason you shouldn't bother him anyway.
Oh, she must have been chatting non-stop. I'm sure Deborah will laugh her head off when she hears about this. Sorry guys, we need to go.
Yeah.
Honey?
Okay.
See ya. Am I a bad person? I thought we were vibing.
Honestly, I thought it was my girlfriend.
Girlfriend? Come on. I know you don't have a girlfriend. There's no girlfriend anyway, okay? It's just a tactic to get me away from you, right?
No,
It's ringing.
that is work. I promise. Yeah. Thank you. Hey. Is that a cockroach?
Yes. My dad gets live chickens a day to Christmas. Being woken up by a cockscrow on Christmas morning is one of the family's traditions, and it's nostalgic for my parents.
So what other weird Christmas tradition should I prepare myself for? Oh. Do we have to go to Santa's house?
No. Santa comes here instead.
Oh.
Yes.
So you mean your dad dresses as Santa? Oh. Your dad dresses as Santa?
From the time we're kids.
Wow. Wow. What such fun memories.
I know.
You have been sneaking around. You have been sneaking around. So how long have you been standing there for?
A while now.
I was simply watching to see if you were frolicking with Lebanon in your dreams.
Come on.
That's all you do now.
Come on, baby. Come on.
I'm just tired. I'm fed up.
Fed up with?
The lies, the hide and seek, just tired of it all. I hate the fact that I don't have peace. I just want us to get this off our chest once and for all.
Man, I couldn't agree more. Right. Now, you made a promise that on Christmas Eve, which is today, you are going to tell your parents. That was our initial agreement. You know that, right?
Yes.
See, yesterday was a close call. And I could feel my heart beat from my chest. And it'll be very painful if your parents get to know themselves.
Yeah, I know I do not have the balls to tell my parents right away. Like,
okay.
This minute,
okay.
I'm saying I'm going to tell them.
Okay.
And when I'm there, I'm not saying anything.
If you can't tell them, leave it to me. You're Prince Charming. And I'll tell them.
That's nice, but I think we should do it together. Yes, we should hold hands. Go to them and just blot it out immediately. What do you think?
I'm in.
I'm in. Get dressed, let's go.
I'm in. You know, I've been feeling lonely and wanting you.
This is so nice.
The best surprise of the season indeed.
Guess who showed up at our doorstep for a Christmas surprise?
Babe, you missed me? Yeah.
Welcome him properly.
Sure.
That's more like it. It's beautiful as ever. I'll wait.
Thanks.
Oh, my bad. Somto. Her colleague.
Colleague, right?
Yes.
I see. Colleague.
He's here for Christmas.
Oh,
Yes.
another spirit? Hi, colleague.
Hi.
Welcome, colleague.
Deborah.
Of course, you guys wouldn't keep Pius standing here like that.
Why are you still standing?
Yes.
Take him in.
You see though?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
I should come with you, right?
She's excited.
Okay.
She's so
I'll see you then tomorrow.
Okay, right.
Colleague.
She's so excited.
Yes. I told you not to judge him so harshly. Now, he has shown up, hasn't he?
Someone like her. It's a surprise. It was a better Christmas surprise.
Of course, let's go.
Sorry, we're coming.
Okay.
Is that right?
Anything? Just tell me.
Okay.
Pius is here.
What are you doing?
Oh, don't worry.
Hey, I was wondering where that delicious aroma was coming from.
Same old me with my old ways. Just giving the family my best.
And we are here for it.
Oh my, no, leave that. No. Leave that for Tonto. Where is he?
Somewhere.
The guy is a magician with a knife.
You mean the colleague?
Yes. You know, it's very rare for you men to enter the kitchen. Talk more of cooking. But you see, Tonto is a versatile young man. I keep teasing that whoever marries him is in for a life of ease.
Yes, actually.
Please, can you call him? Okay, sure.
So what are you making?
White rice with fresh tomato sauce.
Don't you think I should?
Please, Tonto will do that better. Honestly, trust me.
You flatter me, man.
A man who lends a helping hand will always get all the praises. Believe me, you know about that. Come, do justice to the cabbage. Oh my word. Come test this for me. Come on. Come test this. How is it?
As usual, great.
I know.
And you're some sort of cook or something?
No?
Oh, nothing but this.
No, I have to answer that. He works with Deborah.
Oh, I see. His mom is one of those. I guess his mom is one of those local women.
No, my mom is not a local person.
Oh, those ones that cook on the side, like the local restaurants and the bloopers. What do you call that thing in Nigeria? You people fix it from. Okay, the mama cooks, right?
He does say my cooking reminds him of his mom's. And his knowledge for ingredients, he must have gotten it from somewhere.
The class difference.
No.
The standards, you know.
You know why you're saying this? You've noticed this food.
Yes. I understand.
You yes because you've not tasted my food.
I can't taste it.
You can
because
cook
you
with
don't have a
this.
good taste bud.
Hello, gentlemen.
There's something called class in there.
When it comes to cooking class in levels, I give him 100%.
Thank you, mommy.
So please, do justice to it.
May I choke you forever.
This is the first time we are breaking the family tradition of the first.
Necessity calls for it.
Yeah, mother of invention.
I can't believe we are doing this just for one person.
Hey, come on, Lebanon, spinach. I'm an integral part of this family, remember?
Oh.
Okay, I'm in charge, right?
Yeah.
Good. Tonto? Come.
It means move, please.
Move. Right? Why do you want him to move?
Come on.
Okay, Tonto, please.
Breeze out like the wind of Christmas.
Yes, I was thinking.
I know. Just move. Please.
Christmas move.
Me?
You can.
Right. No. I have to hold her.
You know, as it is.
No. She's my wife to be.
As it is, we are not yet married.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So you shift.
So you shift.
Close to Lebanon.
Okay. I think we're good then. When I come, I will I'll position here.
Alright.
Okay.
Daddy, you're supposed to be with mommy.
No, it's not necessary.
We are all one big family.
Yeah, we are.
Okay, here we go. Let me see the camera.
No, it's turning the other side.
Oh my God.
Whoa!
So you see, that is my position. Okay.
Daddy, are you sure you're used to modern facility?
Come on! What are you talking about?
Sorry, guys.
Yes.
You're not going to insult me.
No, sorry.
Just
I'm from your country. I'm from the UK. You understand?
Whatever.
That's my husband talking.
It's taking too long, sir.
Will you shut your mouth?
Can I help you?
Very good.
Don't worry.
Honey, do you need a help?
Someone is
used
to it.
Here we go. 10.
Okay.
8,
Okay.
7, 6,
5.
So we are saying Merry Christmas, right?
No, say cheese! Cheese!
Merry Christmas!
Let's look at it. Oh dear.
Oh no. Why is Deborah not getting lucky with pictures this year? Anyways, the first is a keeper.
Sorry, my dear, this is final.
Is it?
This is not the first.
I can't believe tomorrow is Christmas Day. See, this is actually the most sane I've been during holidays.
And are you glad you're staying away from drinks and all?
Oh well, my gut says it's worth it. Though I've not received any major news yet, but I guess the family is glad and I'm the most crazy one here,
Crazy? Why do you think that you are crazy? Well, in my opinion, you are perfectly cool.
I'm crazy because I don't believe in their traditions and unspoken words. All those.
I actually get it. Right.
Perfect couple. Won't you say?
Yeah, you don't seem to like him that much.
Oh, he has this disgusting, pompous vibe that I really can't stand. Well, I think it tilts towards narcissism, but it's not, in my opinion, I don't even have any opinion. They've been together forever and they'll still be together forever. So.
What if they don't?
Don't what?
I mean, what if they don't stay together forever?
Tonto. Are you trying to send my auntie and uncle to an early grave? They have this terrific belief that you marry your first love or remain single.
And do you believe that?
I told you I'm the crazy one. Yeah. So, what of your first love? What happened?
Oh, my first love. Well, we're teenagers. I don't know if she's married or she's single or still searching.
Like us?
I don't want you to get a wrong idea.
About what?
My sons. See. Listen. You are an amazing person. Okay? Okay. And my heart belongs to someone else. All of it.
I guess I'm used to dumping and rejecting men, but I don't know what this feels like.
It's just not my intention to make you feel.
Oh, it's okay. See, you've done nothing silly, okay? It was pretty clear from the beginning. I guess it's just so thrilling to think that I can get something that I can't have. I love adventures, you know.
You love adventures?
Mm-hmm.
I knew you were crazy.
See, on a more serious note, Deborah told me you had someone, and from your attitude, it says it all. Okay? But you're a very wonderful person, very hard to let go. See, the highlight of this Christmas, my highlight of this Christmas, is meeting you. Yeah.
I must say that you are a very nice person. And I really do enjoy your company.
So what am I to you now? Your G?
Yeah! My G!
G! So, you know.
Okay, I think we need to, have our own handshake.
Okay, let's try something.
So we go like this.
Like this.
We go like this. Then we
What
go
else?
like this. So let's go.
Oh, yeah. Okay. My G.
My G.
Thank you.
You're an amazing person.
What the hell are you doing here?
Babe, I missed you. I just came here to surprise you, that's all.
So you decided to come ruin Christmas for me, didn't you?
Okay, the honest truth is I missed your mom's terrible cooking.
And is that supposed to be funny to you?
Okay, you know what? Let's just cut the act. Don't act like you don't want this as much as I do. I knew you wouldn't have the balls to tell your parents. And I was right, isn't it?
And you decided to take advantage of that to come rub it in.
Listen, Deborah. You're mine forever, okay? And there is nothing you can do about it. We belong to each other. So how about you just go in there and send that unfortunate, unwanted parasite you dragged in here out of this house, all in the name of colleague. Hey, your parents are watching. You better behave. So I think it's nice you hold me so that they'll believe that everything is going on well. Yeah, you just have to do that.
Why did you have to do that?
Hey, your parents are watching. Deborah!
Please, for how long? For how long? For how long do I have to wait? Huh? Tell me, until it puts a ring on your finger and then you both walk the aisle.
My love, can we just get through tonight? Please.
I can't believe you. Like you're still asking for more time? For information, I'm leaving tonight.
No. Where would you go? It's late. Where would you go?
I'm going home. I have a home, Deborah. I already booked a flight for me. And by tomorrow morning, I will be home.
I'm done.
Please, I can't lose you. Please.
Deborah, you're selfish. You are selfish. So what do you want me to do? You want me to just hang around? Huh? And just understand? Jeez!
I will tell them.
When would that be? Even when you gathered the courage to tell them, what shows that they will like me? What's my fate? Huh? Will they even accept me?
No, of course. Oh, yes, I'm sure. They will accept you. I'm sure.
Deborah, I can't do this anymore. If you are not adult enough to speak up, then we don't have any business being in a relationship.
I love you. I love you.
Hey. You don't let me. This is ridiculous.
Dinner.
Please.
This is not what I wanted. You see,
I know. I'll fix it.
It's just about speaking up.
I know. I'll fix it. Please.
Yes, you like this? I mean the chicken.
Yeah,
I
sure.
spiced it very well. Nice.
Hey, I'm coming. Don't you know your place? Come on, move it. And go to where you belong. Move it. Move. Shush. Move. You better call your colleague.
I'm dead? No.
Yeah.
You know you have to set me first, right?
Does it matter?
Of course it does. I'm pious.
Fine.
That's yeah, as you were.
Aren't we a complete family this way? Couples dinner, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're right. If
And
only...
you, I am looking to heaven.
If only Lebanon will do for a man for herself sooner than later.
Okay. And Soto here claims to have a girlfriend.
I'm sure he said that just to rid off Lebanon.
It should be very difficult actually for someone like Lebanon to find a man. If only she were tamer like my sweetie pie here.
Believe me, she's putting in a lot of efforts to make drastic changes. But she still has a long way to go.
It's still Lebanon after all, right?
Trust me, it will be very difficult to tame someone like her. You know, just trust me, it will take a very long time.
Instead of trying to worry about me, why don't you try tame your sweetie pie here who's been cheating on you with Mr. Right?
What?
Yeah.
What?
Deborah?
What did you just spew from your mouth?
It's a misunderstanding.
Sure.
No. No. I didn't raise a cheat. How can you jeopardize a long-term relationship to a short-term fling?
Mom, it was a mistake. You know, Deborah and I will love each other so much that I am willing
Will you shut your mouth, you lying, pretentious, narcissistic bastard? What? Her husband and I have broken up for a long time.
Broken up? Listen, what is she talking about? What happened to 5 years relationship?
I only shown her love.
Love? You call battering me love?
Battering?
You call putting me under your feet love? What do you even know about love? Is it a constant public embarrassment? Is that love to you?
What?
No.
Don't even come close to me. Don't touch me.
How dare you? How dare you lay your filthy hands on my cousin? How dare you? Wild animal.
Hey, relax. I didn't touch her, nothing. I didn't go for I only called her a couple of names, you know how couples behave, the sweet romantic name, like you're such a beautiful lady out or something like that.
Names?
How dare you call my princess names?
Dad, not just names. He called me useless. He called me dumb. An animal. All sorts of names.
How dare you? How dare you hurt my cousin's feelings? How dare you lay your filthy hands on her? You wild animal. What? What? You dare mistreat my daughter and have the nerve to come into my house, eat my food. Excuse me, I'm not taking this from you. How? Vomit it! Vomit!
Come on. No need for this energy, Mama. Please.
How dare you?
Please, calm down. He's not worth it.
Anyway, you're good now, right? Bravo, good riddance. After all, you just have to save me from the stress of eating your mom's terrible food.
What? What is he talking about? What is wrong with my cooking?
What is wrong with my queen's cooking?
Yes!
You idiot!
Ew. Terrible.
What?
Wait. I'm trying to comprehend this. What is going on? What? And you didn't tell me all this, what? How could you not tell me? What is wrong with my food?
Nothing. Your food is excellent.
Why would you lie to me all these years? How could you? Deborah, why did you tell me all this one? How could she, Auntie? When all you and Uncle did was go on and on about your traditional love first. Both of you did this to her. Just see what you put her through. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
My poor baby. I was completely oblivious of what my daughter was going through. So, how long has it been? I mean, both of you.
It's been 8 months, sir.
8 months. My wife and I pride ourselves as being the most wonderful parents in the whole world. Yet, we couldn't recognize that our daughter's heart has changed.
Sir, please. Don't be hard on yourself. You and Deborah's mom have done a wonderful job as parents.
Yet, she couldn't come to us in our times of difficulty. I mean, she went through the whole situation by herself because we wouldn't understand. We were stuck with our stupid tradition, and that made us to be myopic and pathetic.
Sir, please. Do not use such words, please. Honestly, I've known Deborah these few months, and Deborah has prided herself in the traditional way of the family. I feel she was hesitant because she didn't want to hurt the parents that she loved so much.
I failed. Yes, I failed. I should have brought her up to possess a strong character.
Well, you raised a warrior, sir. A fighter. It wasn't fair what she went through, yes? But putting your family's feelings first, that is a rare quality. And that is a demonstration of strength.
I guess I should be relieved that she met a fine young man like you.
Sir, I love you, daughter. I love Deborah with all my heart. Her happiness is my topmost priority. And I promise that I will be to her what you have been to her mother. Forever.
Thank you.
With your permission, sir. Please.
Thank you. Carol.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Drink.
Cheers.
So that idiot was bullying you and did nothing about it, huh? Just me now, you gather all the momentum in the world.
Bloody snitch. So if I was really cheating, you oust me like that?
I also bored being the black sheep of the family now, so I needed a company. So, you finally gotten yourself a man that I can actually get along with.
That's if I can still call him mine. Tonto doesn't change his mind easily. And I don't know, he's still angry with me.
Well, he really had to, But don't worry, he's a good man. He'll let it go, okay? Sure. So I wonder how you felt when he was dividing the attention between us.
Oh, please. Don't flatter yourself. Come on, Lebanon. Leave me.
I wish I knew. But now, should I have kissed him?
Stop!
It's fine.
Thank you. Thank you for snitching on me. Because if you hadn't, I never would have had the balls to.
Come here.
I love you too, sis.
I love you. I'm so happy I finally did something noble for the family. That asshole didn't deserve you at all. So, what will I do next?
And I'll kill you next.
I love you. Now you're smiling. I'm happy.
Trumpet sounds and angels sing. Listen what they say. That man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watched their flocks by night, they see a bright new shining star. Them hear a choir sing, the music sing.
There's enough space in the bedroom. I don't expect to see you there.
Nedo, please. For 30 good years that we're married, we've never slept apart. And it's certainly not going to start now.
If I had known about your deceit, we would have been sleeping apart much earlier.
Come on, Nedo. You are blowing this thing out of proportion.
Did I hear you say proportion? Out of proportion? That seems to you like a little matter, doesn't it? Look at where it has laid us. Okay, see Deborah. See Deborah! And imagine what she's been through. How can we be hearing sensitive things about ourselves from outsider?
Look, forget Pius. Pius has certainly proven tonight that he's a fool.
Oh, really?
Yes, please, don't take anything he said to heart, please.
Whose words should I take to heart then? Your lies? No, so for 30 years, 30 good years, you licked your fingers after each meal. And for once you didn't deem it fit to tell me that my cooking was terrible. Do you know how embarrassing this is?
You shouldn't get embarrassed.
Oh, really?
Yes. You see, it's not everything that is worth complaining about or talking about. Huh?
No. There's no lie in love. Love doesn't lie.
Okay. I am sorry, please. I'm sorry.
I don't want to see your face. I just don't want to see your face. You lied to me. What else can a woman be proud of aside her cooking? You looked me in the face and lied to me all these years.
Look, I lied to you because I love you. Okay? I mean, I love you so much that I would have eaten poison so long as you're the one that served it to me. I mean, what is life without you? Huh? Who cares about you, the taste of your food when you've been a bundle of joy to me for the past 30 years? How could I have survived the 30 years without you? Huh? Look, sweetheart, there are 1,000,001 things that you can be proud of aside your cooking. Okay?
And the children?
Look, the children agree with me. Yes. You are the best mother and wife that anybody could wish for. We cherish you so much, the children and I. Okay? You put so much love and effort in everything you do. You know that we don't care about how your food tastes. I cherish you so much that I am deaf and blind to any fault that you may have conceived. Just as you cared nothing about my terrible snoring. You accommodated it. Please. I love you so much. Okay? I love you so much.
Was my cooking that horrible?
Well, it could be better.
It's a yes or no question. Please answer me.
It's actually terrible.
How?
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Oh, no, I should be the one apologizing.
I fed you poison for 30 years.
Oh, come on. See,
I don't know how my children will be seeing it.
No. The thing is, your food actually...
Don't even go there. Don't start with me.
Okay.
You should have told me. I would have gone to learn.
Your food is actually...
Don't start with me. Don't just start with me.
It's gone.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, my love. Merry Christmas, Auntie. Come here.
Merry Christmas. It's
Merry
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Shouldn't you greet Santa more warmly?
Mom, come on. I'm not a kid.
Oh, please.
Please. Can you guys just give me a moment to myself, please? I need it. Thank you.
Hey. Merry Christmas.
Dad, please not now. I need some time alone.
Marry me. Marry me and make me the happiest man in this world. Ouch! Hey, boy! Just say something, baby.
Yes.
Yes. Dad. Yeah.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, thank you. Oh God. Dad.
You gave me such a fright.
I'm sorry. I wanted you to.
Congratulations, my love.
Thank you.
We've got an in-law for Christmas.
The best cream. The best ever gift.
Talking about an in-law for Christmas, I know you're lonely. Don't worry.
You don't have to rub it in. Come on.
I'm sorry, but.
Oh, Merry Christmas today. Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Enough of what? Let me have my wife coach me.
No.
We are going to be more than these two couples. A better family tradition.
Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. I now hear the angels sing, a new king born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpet sounds and angels sing, listen what they say, that man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watched their flocks by night, they see a bright new shining star.
Sweetheart, can you please pray for us?
Thank you, Lord, for this food. Eyes closed. Heavenly Father, we thank you. We glorify your name for making everything to align accordingly. We thank you for this meal. We thank you for bringing us from nothingness to existence, joining us as a one great family. Thank you, Lord. May we eat to your satisfaction. In the name of the Father, the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
This is really good.
Mom, delicious.
Thank you.
Very delicious. So good.
Oh my God. Auntie, can you please share the recipe? Well, that's my little secret. Yeah, and I will share it in due time.
My love. So you are bent on define the notion that nobody is perfect, right?
Not at all. So we don't accept or maybe look for perfection.
Oh my goodness. This is superb.
You like it?
Mom. I could eat this all day.
Auntie,
This is
we'll be making more of this every day.
fantastically, sumptuously
Honey.
delicious.
Sweetheart. Easy.
Oh
my God.
Dad, you have to be careful.
We should be doing this every day, you know?
I don't want to go back. I just want to stay here. And eat. So.
It's a lie. You're going to work.
Mom, I'm still the baby.
Never in the history of this family have we taken our Christmas photos more than once.
Listen, everyone. Annie requested we send her all the pictures, but please, I beg you, make this your best. This one. Please, this one.
Okay, Auntie.
You heard the mama of the house.
Yeah.
Good.
Come on.
All right.
So let's do
Get on the
this.
photographer.
As always.
A professional.
As always.
Yeah.
Put your angle right. Okay, good. So now. Oh dear. Yes.
It's counting.
Counting.
Okay.
Counting. 5, 4,
3, 2.
What is wrong with you?
Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Okay. Let's have a look at it.
Oh,
Deborah. Oh, well, we have to take another one.
Oh, it's done already. Remember, the first is always the best, right?
Not anymore.
The tradition has changed.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So,
Oh.
another.
This time, I need to tame you.
Let me go stand in
I
my...
know you.
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
I'll stay.
No. You stay here.
Yes. Better.
Taking the camera angle. Oh, no. The way you are positioned, I won't have anywhere to stay. You want to cut me out?
No, Uncle.
Can you shift, please?
Okay.
Okay, so let's go now.
Can you come closer?
Is it counting?
Yeah.
Okay, it's counting. It's counting.
6, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, cheese!
Be my first lover, yeah. You have carried my heart away, carried me run away. Can I be your only lover, yeah? I will break the walls of tradition for you. You are my papa. Why do you die? I don't care what people may say. It may seem wrong, but it's not wrong. You have shown me that true love exists. Will you be my best lover, yeah? You have carried my heart away, carried me run away. Can I be your only lover, yeah? I will break the walls of tradition for you. Will you be my first lover, yeah? You have carried my heart away, carried me run away. Can I be your only lover, yeah? I will break the walls of tradition for you. I have met someone before, but not someone like you. You may not be